5 days ago, I made a video about this very platform in which I said that I flipped $370 to $390 in just 10 minutes. That means I made a profit of $20. And if you go to my transactions, you notice that I made a withdrawal of 22 US dollars in which they took a withdrawal fee of $0.5 in that same video, which is the $20 that I got from flipping from 370 to 390. And this is the withdrawal proof right here, confirmed in my Bybit wallet, 25.5 US dollars. So it means that this platform is really paying, and I used it to make money for myself that day I made that video, and I'm still making money every single day. So right here I've come to show you another video and another way for you to make more money on this same platform. And don't forget that I'm not still a financial advisor. Everything I do or say on this channel is only for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any investment. This is because investments carry significant risks, and betting and gameplay carries significant risk. So do well to do your own research, and also in case you make up your mind to make any investments, please do well to invest what you can risk. But before that, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael, and this cash creation clan where we share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do well to smash that subscribe button, hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Like this video, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be able to respond to them as fast as possible. Share this video with friends and more people will be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Click on this section on the YouTube channel homepage, and right here you're going to see all the links in our bio, all our social medias. This is our YouTube channel, our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle, my WhatsApp contacts, and this is my link in bio, which you will see all the platforms that are still paying right now. So if you click on link in bio, you're going to see basically all the platforms that are still paying, because any platform that is no longer paying, I remove it from the link in bio. I already share legit updates. So don't forget, I'm not still a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you carry out any investment, because investments carry significant risks. So the platform I'm sharing with you right here is 55 BTC trading app. I've already made a tutorial video that showed everything step by step in our YouTube channel. If you go over, you are going to see the video. I've already made a tutorial video step by step explaining everything. So this is the video right here. So do well to watch it carefully in case you want to understand everything, because right here in this video, all what I've done is just to show you the new way in which you can be able to make money, and then also optimize that my theory strategy I used in my previous video. So do it to stick around to the very end, so that I'll show you how you can be able to do everything with no stress and with no much effort. So my in my account right here, if you click on the balance, you notice that my balance is 220 USDT. I have made some withdrawals and more withdrawals, and I'm still trading, and I'm still playing games, and I'm still making more money for myself, and I'm still withdrawing every single day. So as I said before in my previous video, you have to go to the home page, because in this video will be this video will be very short. So just go to the home page right there. So the section in which I use to make money is the game section, but before that I would like to introduce the activity section, in which you can make a lot of money for yourself, because 55 BTC has a lot of bonuses awaiting you. If you check right here, you notice that they have the daily check-in bonus, they have the VIP upgrade bonus, they have the first deposit bonus, they have the friend invite bonus, the weekly accumulated bonus. First, there are a lot of bonuses right here. So the daily check-in, I explained it in the previous video, and I explained everything right here, that every day, imagine you checking 2 USDT every single day. I check into USDT every single day, but for you to do that, you must have a daily deposit of 10 USDT and total bet of 30 USDT. But as I said, I am not a financial advisor. Please, everything I do or say on this channel is only for educational purposes only. Carry out your own research before you carry out any investment. Everything I share right here is what I do, and in my own experiences. I don't share them right here to force you to do anything. Please do your own research before you carry out any investment. So as I was saying, these are a lot of bonuses in which 55 BTC gives you. The daily check-in bonus is real, why the friend invite bonus is also real. Then the first deposit bonus, if you click on that, you're going to see the requirement for you to be able to get your first deposit bonus. If you deposit 5 USDT, you are going to get a bonus of 1 USDT. If you deposit 20 USDT, you're going to get a bonus of 3 USDT. Don't still forget, do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Everything I do also on this channel is only for educational purposes only, and based on things I've used that worked for me. Please do your own research. I didn't force anyone to deposit. Please do your own research before you carry out any investments. So for you to make money the way I did, click on this game section. You're going to see all the games right here as I explained, but the game I normally play is the red green 1 minute. So after you just to click on that, I'm going to take into the interface where you'll be able to play the game. So right here, don't forget, if you watch my previous video, don't forget what I said. You have to go to this section and you're going to choose the color that is currently trending at that moment. That's the theory I insinuated, and the theory worked for me if you watch my previous video. So if you notice right here, the first 10, the color that has been trending is red. So it means that in our next trade, we are going to use red. This is just a theory that I tried, and even this trade that just ended right now was red. So what do you think about my theory? So I'm going to use red 5 times and green 5 times. So right here, I'm going to choose red for the next trade. Then I'm going to input the amount I want to use. Right here, I want to increase my amount. My previous video, I was using 2 USDT consistently. But right now, I want to increase my amount. But please don't forget, don't follow me in whatever I'm doing. When you are trading, you can use the amount you want to use. But me right now, because I have a lot of money and have tried my theory and it's working for me, that's why I'm using this amount I'm using. So right here, I'm using 10 USDT to place my trade. This is at my own risk. It is at my own risk and at my own risk of my own money. So right here, I use 10 USDT to trade. So we are going to wait patiently for the time mark to end and check what we got. And boom, guys, if you notice right here, it ended at red, and right here my balance has increased to 229.5 USDT, which means I got extra 10 USDT. So right now we're going to use red for this second time. Don't forget, you use red 5 times, green 5 times. So I'll use red again. Even if I fail, I will impute the martingale strategy. If you have not watched the first video, go and watch it so that you understand what I mean by martingale strategy. So right now I'll be using the red. It's currently done. My bet is successful. Let us wait patiently for the timer to end right here. And if you notice right here, I got a green and a purple, and my balance didn't add up because I didn't get a red. So right now we're going to use the martingale strategy, which I explained in the previous video. So here I'll choose red again for the third time. Then I will input the amount I want to input, which is right now this is martingale 1. So right here we're going to double the amount, which is 20 USDT, so that I'll get my 10 USDT back and get my extra income in which I'm meant to normally get. So I'll click on confirm and then confirm my bet and then wait patiently for the bet to finish. If you notice right here, I got a green again. So right now I'm going to be using red for the fourth time. So now this is martingale 2. Don't forget, I said it in previous video. So right now I'll be doubling the amount I use the martingale one, which is 20 USDT. So I'll be using 40 USDT for this particular trade. And I'm going to click on confirm and wait patiently for my trade to end. If you check right here, you will notice that I got a green again. So now this is the fifth time we'll be using red. So now this is martingale 3 right now. So I'll be doubling the amount I use the martingale one, which is how much. So right now I'll be using 80 USDT for this martingale, and then I'll click on confirm and wait for my bet to be successful. Don't forget, everything I do or say here is only for entertainment and educational purposes. I'm just taking my own risk right now. So please do well to carry out your own research before you make any investments. And boom, guys, if you notice right here, we got a red, and now my balance is 235 USDT. After all the martingales we used, we arrived at our main balance and still got our extra bonus. So that's the essence of the martingale. But don't forget, as a beginner, use a small amount. Me, I'm using 10 USDT because I know what I'm doing. Okay, so and also I'm also taking the risk, because if I lose the money, I can still find another way to get it back. So now the trade over. We are done with red for 5 times. Now we'll use green for 5 times also, and I'll be using 10 USDT right here, and I'll click on confirm and my trade will be successful. Let us wait patiently. If you notice right here, I currently we got a green right now, and now my balance has increased. So we have used green for the first time. Let us use green for the second time again, and I'm going to impute the amount onto you, which is 10 USDT again. I'll click on confirm and let us wait patiently for our bet to finish. And boom, guys, if you notice right here, we also got a green and my balance has also increased. Although I lost 10 USDT because I went and tried the purple when I post the video. So right now my balance is still 245 as usual. We have used green two times and it worked for us. So now we'll be using green for the third time. So I'll be using 20 USDT to recover the amount I lost when I used the purple. So right here, I'll click on bet and my bet will be successful. Let us wait patiently. And if you notice right here, we got a purple and a red. So right now I'll be using green for the fourth time, and here I'll be optimizing the martingale strategy, martingale once. I'll double the 20 USDT, then I'll confirm, and then I'll click on confirm again. I was the one that caused all this. If I had not tried that purple, by now would have just used 20 USDT just to continue with the green that lost. But right now we're trying to also regain the amount we lost when we used the purple. So this risk, I'm the one taking it with my own money. So I don't tell you to use your own money to take this risk. Don't forget, do your own research before you carry out any investment. Everything I do or say is only for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own research before you carry out any investment. Investments carry significant risks, betting carries significant risks, trading carries significant risks. I just share with you the things I use and they work out for me. And if you notice right here, we got a green, so which means we have gotten the amount we lost when we used the purple, and we have also gotten our amount extra. So we'll be using green for the fifth time, and I'll be using my usual amount 10 USDT. Then I'll click on confirm and my bet to be successful. Let us wait patiently. If you notice right here, we got a red. So right now I'll be optimizing the martingale strategy. We use the green again, and then we double our trade, which is 20 USDT. We click on confirm and confirm again and wait patiently for the bet to be successful and when it ends. And right here we got a red again. So we are optimizing the martingale tools right here. I don't know why this is getting difficult, but I'll just keep continuing with my theory. We optimize the martingale tool right here. So we'll double our trade we use in the martingale one. So right here we'll be using 40 USDT. And I'll click on confirm and confirm again, and my bet will be successful. Let us wait patiently. And boom, guys, if you notice right here, we got a green, and now my balance is 270 USDT. So in this video, we made a profit of 50 USDT. We flipped 220 USDT to 270 USDT, which is a profit of 50 USDT. And we did that in just 10 minutes. So that's so amazing. So if you want to try this out, don't forget do your own research before trying this out. I just share with you my own theory and what I have used that worked for me. So do well to carry out your own research before you carry out any investment. This is because investments carry significant risks. I think that will be all for now. All I did in that video was to show you all the bonuses that 55BCC have, and also to optimize the strategy I got and to use it again on this same video. So if you want to know how to use other things in the platform, do well to visit this video right here. This video I explained every single thing step by step. So do well to visit that video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the drop down bell icon so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime I drop more amazing and more money making updates like this. Do well to drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be able to respond to them as fast as possible. Please like this video, drop a like below, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share it with friends so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Don't forget that if you want to join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, or all other of our social medias, visit this section on the YouTube channel homepage. You'll be able to see the links to all our social medias right here. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash to cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.